Natural and home remedies for gallstone. Gallstones are hard deposits that form inside the gallbladder, a small organ located behind the liver on the right side of your abdomen. Gallstones can range in size from smaller than a grain of sand to larger than a golf ball. 80% of gallstones are made of hardened cholesterol that develops when there is too much cholesterol in the gallbladder. Other causes include high levels of bilirubin and a concentration of bile in the gallbladder. Pregnancy, obesity, diabetes, liver disease, a sedentary lifestyle, a high-fat diet, and certain forms of anemia are some of the risk factors of gallstones. People older than 60 years of age, females have a greater risk of gallstones. Many people develop gallstones and never know it. But when a gallstone obstructs the bile duct, it can cause symptoms like sudden onset of severe pain, especially in the right side of the abdomen, back pain, nausea or vomiting, bloating, indigestion, chills and clay-colored stools. The pain caused by gallstones may last for a few minutes to several hours. Gallstones can cause a lot of pain and must be treated immediately. So, consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. There are several natural home remedies too that you can use to prevent and treat gallstones. Many people develop gallstones and never know it. But when a gallstone obstructs the bile duct, it can cause symptoms like sudden onset of severe pain, especially in the right side of the abdomen, back pain, nausea or vomiting, bloating, indigestion, chills and clay-colored stools. The pain caused by gallstones may last for a few minutes to several hours. Gallstones can cause a lot of pain and must be treated immediately. So, consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. There are several natural home remedies too that you can use to prevent and treat gallstones. Here are some home remedies for gallstones. Apple cider vinegar. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar stops the liver from making cholesterol that is responsible for forming the most common type of gallstones. It also plays a key role in dissolving gallstones and alleviating pain. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of apple juice. Drink it whenever you have a gallstone attack. This will significantly ease the pain within 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to a glass of warm water. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Doing this regularly for weeks can dissolve gallstones and prevent pain. Lemon juice. Another good ingredient for keeping gallstone attacks under control is lemon juice. It stops your liver from making cholesterol, which helps in faster recovery. The pectin in lemon juice is believed to help get rid of gallbladder pain attributed to stones. Plus, the vitamin C in lemon juice makes cholesterol more water-soluble, which promotes faster elimination of waste products. Drink fresh juice squeezed from 4 lemons each day on an empty stomach. Follow the drink with a glass of water. Continue this therapy for a week. Alternatively, you can drink 4 tablespoons of lemon juice mixed in a glass of warm water every day on an empty stomach. Continue this treatment for several weeks until the gallstones are eliminated from the body. Peppermint. Peppermint aids digestion by stimulating the flow of bile and other digestive juices. Plus, it has a compound called terpene that can effectively dissolve gallstones. It is also believed to help relax spasms and relieve acute gallbladder pain. Boil 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves. Remove from heat, cover and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and add 1 teaspoon honey. Enjoy the tea while it is still warm, twice daily for 4 to 6 weeks. Drink it between meals for maximum results. Vegetable juice. When suffering from gallstones, it is essential to cut down on fried and fatty foods. For a week or 2, follow a strict diet based on fruit and vegetable juices. A mixed vegetable juice made of beetroot, cucumber and carrots is a good remedy for gallstones. Beetroot helps cleanse the liver and strengthens the gallbladder. Cucumber's high water content is great for detoxifying the liver and gallbladder. Carrots are rich in vitamin C and other nutrients that are good for the immune system. Extract the juice from 1 beetroot, 1 cucumber and 4 medium-sized carrots. Mix them and drink this juice twice a day. Follow this remedy for 2 weeks and you'll notice a huge improvement in your condition. Psyllium. Psyllium is a very good source of soluble fiber, hence it is considered a good remedy for gallstones. The fiber in psyllium binds to the cholesterol in bile and helps prevent gallstones from forming. Plus, it promotes normal bowel movements, which reduces risk of the gallbladder system becoming congested. In addition, psyllium prevents constipation, a condition associated with increased gallstone formation. Add 1 tablespoon of psyllium powder to a glass of water. Mix well and drink it 2 times a day. Repeat daily until your gallstones are gone. When taking psyllium, make sure you drink lots of water as it absorbs water. Dandelion. Dandelion is another very useful herb for the treatment of gallstones. It contains a compound known as taraxacin that helps in bile excretion from the liver. This also helps detoxify and metabolize fat accumulated in the liver. When the liver starts functioning properly, it aids gallbladder functioning. Place 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root in a cup. Pour hot water in the cup, cover it and let it steep for 5 minutes. Strain and add honey for taste. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times a day for 1 or 2 weeks. Alternatively, you can prepare an herbal tea by adding 2 teaspoons of marshmallow root and 1 teaspoon of Oregon grapefruit to 4 cups of water. Let it simmer for 15 minutes and then remove from heat. Now, add 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion leaves and 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves and allow it to steep for 15 minutes. Finally, strain and drink this tea throughout the day. Also, you can eat the tender dandelion greens by adding them to your salad or steaming them. Those who are diabetic should avoid dandelion. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is another good cure for gallstones. This herb contains a bitter substance called silymarin that stimulates bile production. Increased bile production in turn decreases its concentration and helps flush out gallstones. Milk thistle also aids in liver functioning. Grind 1 tablespoon of milk thistle seeds in a coffee grinder or crush them in a mortar and pestle. Put the crushed seeds in 3 cups of water and boil. Turn off the heat and then let it steep for 20 minutes. Finally, strain the tea, add honey for taste and drink it 2 to 3 times a day for 1 week. You can also take this herb in supplement form. For proper dosage, consult your doctor. Usually, it is suggested to take 420 mg regular standardized milk thistle extract a day in 3 divided doses. If the extract contains phosphatidylcholine, then the standard dose is 100 to 200 mg, 2 to 3 times a day. Castor oil. Castor oil has many medicinal and healing properties that can help minimize and reduce the number of gallstones. Its anti-inflammatory properties help neutralize inflammation and reduce pain. Plus, castor oil packs have a positive effect on the immune and lymphatic systems. Gently warm 1 cup of pure, cold-pressed castor oil in a pan. Soak a piece of cheesecloth in the warm oil, and then squeeze out the excess oil. Put the wet cheesecloth over the right side of your stomach where the gallbladder is located. Cover the cheesecloth with a plastic sheet. Next, put a hot water bag on the plastic sheet for 30 to 60 minutes. Follow this treatment at least 3 times a week until you recover completely. Pears. Pears can also provide relief from gallstone pain and other symptoms. The compound pectin present in pears helps soften cholesterol-filled gallstones, which in turn get flushed out of your body easily. Mix half a glass of pear juice with half a glass of hot water. Mix in 2 tablespoons of honey. Drink this juice 3 times a day for 2 weeks. Alternatively, peel and deseed some pears. Cut the pears in small pieces and cook them in water for about 20 minutes. Eat a bowl of the warm cooked pears twice daily for 2 weeks. Wine. Wine can actually help prevent gallstone attacks. They studied the diets of 25,639 people over 10 years. Those who drank 2 units of wine, a medium-sized glass of wine, daily reduced their risk of developing gallstones by 1/3. When suffering from gallstone pain, drink half a glass of wine and within 20 minutes you will get relief from the pain. In fact, half a glass of wine daily can also reduce the amount of gallstone attacks by as much as 40%. Beetroot, cucumber and carrot juice for gallstones. Juice therapies are what are mostly recommended by traditional natural remedies for gallstones. Among these juices, one that is made from the combination of beetroot, cucumber and carrots is highly effective for gallbladder. Beets not only strengthen and cleanse gallbladder and your liver but also help in cleansing colon and your blood. Cucumber, with its high water content, is great for detoxifying liver as well as gallbladder, which is also done by carrot juice high in vitamin C and other rich nutrients. Diet and lifestyle changes for gallstones. There have to be certain changes in your diet and lifestyle to cure gallbladder stones. Here are some suggestions. Drink 8-10 glasses of water every day. If overweight, reduce weight. Avoid fatty foods. Exercise regularly. Eat smaller meals and spread it over the day instead of 3 big meals, have 5-6 smaller meals. Avoid constipation, it helps in forming gallstones. Have coffee every day but do not drink it in excessive amounts. 1 or 2 cups a day is enough. Coffee increases the flow of bile and thus prevents gallstones. Have loads of vitamin C during the day. For this, include citrus fruits in your diet. Have lemon juice. Use such spices and herbs that stimulate liver as well as gallbladder like turmeric, dried ginger, black pepper, long pepper, asafoetida, etc.